lost a little cord and your radio is not working, this video will be perfect for you. So first, get a paper clip and fold it just like this. And then look at your radio and try to find something that looks kind of like this. That looks like this. Now, take your paper clip and see the point? Stick that right into that little hole right there. Right into that hole. Make sure it goes fully in and nothing else really matters. And then your radio will work. Thank you for watching this video.